This is the 5 bikes rack that actually holds 5 bikes. I have 2 of them. One is for 4 bikes. That is pretty much a lot of used. You can see how much wear and tear it is. And I used that a lot for multiple years. I needed an upgrade. So I bought the 5 bikes. And the first thing I do, I tighten this because usually when you just put it in, it wiggles. So this helps to keep that well attached to the car. It also has a key. So no one can right now unscrew it. Only you with the key can do that right now. Okay, so that's the first part. Second part, it really holds 5 bikes. I will show you on the photo after the video how I use it, but that really great thing that it holds 5 bikes. Another thing, and this is really great feature, the access to your car. So you can easily access, and you can see all materials are done really great. So it's very thick, high quality metal, very nice rubber. It takes less amount to put bikes with this um, rubber feature that they have. They have multiple attachments. This is the highest end, the most pricier, but it really worth it because it attached here. You can attach your bike. Very nice quality.